Hi, I'm Charlotte Baker. I'm a Hobbycraft artisan and artist. Today I'm going to show you the wet on dry watercolour technique. Let's get started. Subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. I'm going to show you the dry on wet technique, which is used to create bolder brush marks and texture. Because the paper is dry, you'll find you'll get a nice textured effect from the brush. The more you layer the paint, the more saturated the colour will become. Let's switch to an oval shaped brush to show what effect that has. This brush reveals more of the texture because it can't hold as much paint. Now I can show you a large flat brush which has a similar effect to the oval shaped brush. For more watercolour techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.